Hi, welcome to your channel, Generous, Gracious, and Gallant. I'm your host, Moharem Ghosh, and I'm back today with another awe inspiring story. The inspirational Indian I'm going to speak to you about today is Bhagat Ram Talwar, the Indian spy in World War II who was instrumental for helping Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose escape from British house arrest in Calcutta and move on to Berlin. Another unique feature about Bhagat Ram Talwar was that he was recruited by the Nazis, the German, the Japanese, and the Italian too for spying for them. That essentially means that he was spying for India, whose interest he always maintained. Then he was spying for the British, he was spying for the Italian, he was spying for the Nazis, he was spying for the Japanese. He made a complete fool of the British, the Italian, the Nazis, and the Japanese Axis powers. To hear more about this awe inspiring Indian, please hear the video till the very last so that you will get the complete picture of the achievements of this Indian spy. For those of you who are already my subscribers on Generous, Gracious, and Gallant, heartfelt thank you. For those of you who are coming on to the first time to the channel Generous, Gracious, and Gallant, let me give you a brief history about the channel. Generous, Gracious, and Gallant was formed in 2015 on Facebook, and today we have about 820 members there. On WhatsApp, we have an additional 120 members, and we started the channel in May 2020 on YouTube in view of the ongoing battle against the infamous COVID 19 virus. And today on YouTube, we have about 220 subscribers. The mission and vision of Generous, Gracious, Gallant is to provide daily inspiration and to share with you the best stories of mankind so that there is a change in the thought process and strengthening of the moral fiber of the present and future generations. Could I request those of you who are seeing this video to please hit the subscribe button and press the bell notification so that you get an update every time I release an inspirational story for you. Please feel free to share these stories with your friends, family, and children because I ensure that only inspirational stories are shared on this channel and there is absolutely no bad language used in the videos, and all my videos are extremely child friendly. Coming back to the story, the Indian spy, Bhagat Ram Talwar. You know, spies are an essential part of modern politics and warfare. These spies, as a community, always are under the radar. No one knows them. They are hidden. It's all cloak and dagger stuff. Their mission is to ensure that their country is able to win the battles through misinformation supplied to the enemy and ensure that the enemy loses. Spies are brave, unrecognized people whose multiple sacrifices go untold in history. But they are instrumental in winning battles and wars. And today we are going to speak about the Indian spy Bhagat Ram Talwar, who essentially ensured that in World War II he did everything to ensure that India's interests were best met at all points of time. Bhagat Ram Talwar was born to a rich Punjabi family in the northwestern province in 1908. His father was very friendly with the British authorities and had good relationships with them. However, post the Jallianwala Bagh incident in 1919, his father withdrew his friendship with the British authorities, and Bhagat Ram Talwar's own brother Hari Krishnan was hanged unto death by the British authorities for his attempt to assassinate the Punjab governor. Influenced by the activities of Bhagat Singh, Bhagat Ram Talwar joined the revolutionary movement. But communism was close to his heart, so he went on to become a part of the Punjab's Kirti Kisan Party in 1941, which was a communist party. In the same year, he was entrusted with a major task of ensuring Subhash Chandra Bose, Netaji, was moved out of home arrest where he in Calcutta, where he was imprisoned by the British authorities, and he had to ensure that Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose escaped. Bose, dressed as a deaf and dumb Muslim tourist who was named as Muhammad Ziauddin, and Talwar dressed himself up as Rahmat Khan, the secretary to Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, and he helped Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose escape to Berlin, where Bose went on to one of the most controversial acts of his lifetime of meeting up with Hitler and asking Hitler for his support in defeating British India. Bose introduced Bhagat Ram Talwar to Hitler and his team, and the Germans were very impressed by Talwar's ability and capability of ferreting out the right information at the right time, and so they gave him a transmitter and trained him further in the art of spying. Bhagat Ram Talwar was given a transmitter and he royalties, and he made frequent trips to the then British India and Afghanistan to pass information to the German authorities. It is believed that Bhagat Ram Talwar got royalties in the tune of $2.5 million from the Nazi authorities. He also was awarded the Iron Cross by the Nazis for his spying activities and his success in ferreting out the information against British India. Bhagat Ram Talwar gave information to the Nazis, keeping in mind India's interests foremost always. Thereafter, it has also to be noted that all the information he was passing to the Nazis was falsified in a grand manner, and the Nazis took it to be the gospel truth, which led to many defeats to them in multiple battles in World War II. Bhagat Ram Talwar was a communist at heart, and he had no desire to help the Nazis. And when the Nazis invaded the Soviet Union, Bhagat Ram Talwar contacted the Russian authorities and passed on information against the Nazis to the Soviet headquarters in Moscow. He was valued so much for his information. Soviet Union then entered into an unusual agreement with the British SOE, Special Operation Executive, and he began then to also work for the British. Russia shared Bhagat Ram Talwar's details with the British authorities and put him in charge of Russian intelligence exchange with the British authorities. At Britain, Peter Fleming, the brother of Ian Fleming, the writer of the spy James Bond movies, Peter Fleming gave him the code name Silver. Over here too, he was playing against the British interest, always keeping Indian interests in mind at all points of time. With Fleming's help and the transmitter given by the Nazis, Bhagat Ram Talwar, the Indian spy, would regularly broadcast from the Viceroy's palace in Delhi to German authorities in HQ and also later to Italy and Japan, the other two members of the Axis powers. He gave all three of them, the Nazis, the German, the Japanese, and the Italian fascists, totally wrong information which they took to be the gospel truth and lost multiple battles because of this wrong information. He was never caught. He was so careful and brilliant. By 1945, when the war ended, with all the royalty bounties which he had got from the British, the Nazis, the Japanese, the Italian, he disappeared into the northwest frontier and was never found till India became independent, and he came back and settled in Uttar Pradesh, and he met his maker in 1983. It also needs to be highlighted that perhaps he was the only ever spy in history to have worked for 5 countries simultaneously. He was working for India, whose interests he kept foremost. He was working for the British. He worked for the Nazis. He worked for the Italian, and he worked for the Japanese. He was working for 5 countries, and he was so brilliant that he was awarded the Iron Cross by the Nazis. He was given $2.5 million as royalties for the information. British government also gave him a lot of funds. So did the Japanese and the Italians, and he fed all of them a total roundabout false information which they thought was good intelligence. This resulted in them losing multiple battles in World War II. We have to realize that the work that Bhagat Ram Talwar and other Indian spies did in World War II was essentially forgotten in post independent India, as they never came forward to take credit for their work. Bhagat Ram Talwar, perhaps the only spy in history who worked for 5 countries simultaneously. This video is a tribute to courageous, brave warriors of India and spies of India who have been instrumental in India becoming the superpower, economic power that she is today. Friends, if you enjoy these inspirational stories which I am sharing with you, please do hit the subscribe button. Also, friends, I'm a firm proponent of the concept of difference to one. Not all of us can be Bhagat Ram Talwar who can change the course of history and make a difference to lakhs of lives. However, all of us need to stand up and be counted, especially now when mankind is facing its biggest battle against the infamous COVID 19 virus and make a difference to someone in our community. Please help out someone in your community. You don't know how far the ripples of your kindness will go. The butterfly effect, which I've explained in another video of mine, will definitely come into play. Friends, while you set out to make a difference to others, COVID 19 is raging, lakhs have lost their lives, and many have lost their livelihoods. It is most important that you stay safe first so that you can help others. Do this by becoming a COVID 19 warrior, wearing a mask at all points of time whenever you go step out of your house. Maintain social distancing and avoid crowded places as much as possible. When you remain safe, you help mankind win its battle against the infamous COVID 19 virus. So, till we meet again with another awe inspiring story, stay safe, stay healthy, and please stand up and be counted and make a difference to someone in your community. Till we meet again with another awe inspiring story, good luck, all the best, stay safe.